Dr. Mona Suri. I'm the Academic Vice President at Royal University for Women. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the graduating students from College of Art and Design. At Royal University for Women, our mission is to empower women to work for their advancement. And I'm very proud to say that we have various colleges at the university, the College of Law, College of Business and Financial Sciences, and College of Art and Design. Being the nature of the college, College of Art and Design is actually the face of RUW, and we are offering graphic design, fashion design, interior design, and also architectural design programs at the undergraduate levels. We also have the master's program in design management and also in fine arts in drawing and painting. Today I am standing in front of you talking about our creative students who have done their best in terms of how they are designing the garments, they are designing the interior spaces, and also the various graphic related posts. At their graduation, I would like to congratulate them because the Moda Mist is where we are trying to put the fashion ensembles of the students that they have created based on certain themes. Moda Mist is a fashion show which is an annual show that we have every year. In addition to that, we also have Tasameem, which is our exhibition for our interior fashion and graphic students. My heartiest congratulations to all of them for their graduation. I want to showcase the students and our alumni who have worked so well in the past. They are employed at excellent places. We have excellent linkages with industry, with Supreme Council for Women, with various industries like BAPCO and other places. And this experience has made our students a much better employable graduate. I wish them all the best. Thank you very much.
Dear students, congratulations on your well-deserved success for your graduation. After a serious period of study, 4 years in graphic design academic program at RUW, I'd like to briefly say what you learned in your study from the fundamentals of graphic design, typography, digital illustration, publication design, packaging design, web design, 2D and 3D animation, visual effects, motion graphics, interactive design, and finally professional graduation project. All theoretical and practical subjects enhance your creativity skills to get a good career opportunities. Again, congratulations in your graduation and best wishes for your next adventure with your bright future, inshallah. Good luck.
My name is Maria Zulfikar. I'm a senior graphic design student from RUW. I am graduating from the year 2021, and I would like to extend my great gratitude to everyone in RUW, from teachers and classmates to family and friends. And I would appreciate it if you have a look at my graduation project. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you.